Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today's video sees us continuing with the Mastermyr spoke shave. So we have to grind the bevels onto this one and then bend it to shape, and we have to grind the faces on the hammer. So you might recall in the previous video we left it to normalize. Well, it's normalized. I don't know if you can just make out that it's slightly shinier on the steel versus the wrought. So I'm just toying with the idea of etching this just to show the wrought pattern a little bit. We'll see how we go. So, as this is mostly grinding and filing work, I will shoot a little bit of me working the hammer. It's a fairly hefty amount of filing actually. I might grind that. And then we'll switch over to, when we get the forge lit, to doing the hot work, and we'll go from there. We should have both finished by the end of this video. I won't be putting a handle on the draw knife, as I'm not actually certain how the original was handled. As you'll see when it's bent to shape, putting two handles on the tangs doesn't seem to quite fit, and I'm a little bit stumped as to the most effective way to put a single handle that spans both and still gives you good control of the tool. So that's a future job. We'll see how we go. And to be honest, I'm not certain how this one was handled, because the eye is tiny. It's like 10 millimeters wide. It's not even half an inch by 35, so it's a really long and skinny eye, which strikes me as a little bit odd. It was found with shreds of wood inside, so we know it was actually on a handle when it was lost. As to the form of the handle, don't know. Going on what I think it was used for, I'm suspecting it was probably a short handle. But I don't know, so leave that one with me. Alright, let's get things underway and let's have some fun. So we're going to start off by refining the eye on the hammer, because it's kind of wasted a little bit. So I'll deal with the ends, and then when we go to harden it, I'll drive the drift through just quickly, just to give it a bit more form. Times like these, I wish I had a die grinder. We're getting some more light. So this is the slow going bit. So as you can see, this is going to be slow going, so I'm not going to record all of it. A little bit, just to give you a bit of a taste, how much work actually goes into one of these reproductions. Alright, so I might leave it here for you guys. So we're just about at the point of getting the forge. The hammer is ready to harden. Faces are hand sanded out to a reasonable grit for this. Again, this is going to be water hardening. Actually, I might oil harden it just to leave them a little bit tougher and protect them a little bit. So it'll be interesting. Alright, let's get things hot. So our hammer has come up to temperature, I think. Ready to close. So, at the end of the day, the hammer is still a wee bit hot to touch, but has come up a treat. So at the end of the video, there'll be a short little 30-second grab or so of the two items in close-up. Keep an eye out for that. If you like the video, hit the like button. It really does tell me what's appealing to the public, and in this algorithm-driven world, it lets my videos get a little more playtime if they track higher in the algorithms. So hit the like button, do feel free to share, and do hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit the bell if you want to be notified of when the next video drops. As always, make time to get out to your shop, have fun, but do stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.